Hi everyone, I'm Gary Bosek and I just don't feel like editing today, so I'm just going to include the part where I actually turn the camera on and off. So here's what I want to do. I want to share 3 back-to-back amazing juicing recipes for you. These are very simple, so loaded with antioxidants, it's ridiculous. Here's the first one. 1 pound of organic strawberries, 1 pint of organic blueberries. Amazing. Here's the second one. 1 small organic sweet potato, yep, raw, as well as 3 organic oranges. Unbelievable. Third one, 3 organic apples, 1 small organic lemon with the peel and all. With the oranges, make sure you peel those. With the lemon, include the lemon. These are some of the best juices I've ever had. How simple is that? How amazing is it that all these antioxidants can be in something so easy? Now look for deals because berries can be very expensive. Try to shop at your local farmers market, support the farmers or stores that have sales on berries. There's plenty of them, you just have to look. I don't know what else to say. This video is really simple today. It's a beautiful day here in Michigan, and I'm just feeling so good and so happy that I'm able to share this information with you. As always, consult your doctor or physician before beginning any exercise, diet, or health program. I am not a doctor. I am just telling you what has worked for me. If you have any questions, send me a message. I'm gonna go play. Oh, I forgot I can't really edit. I kind of have to shut this off and make sure I get the best angle here.